In this video I'm going to show you how to check last played song on Spotify. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Spotify on your iPhone or Android. So open Spotify and make sure your Spotify is logged with your Spotify account. So as you can see, here is the left side in this top profile icon. Tap on profile icon and it's open options, three options. Here it is what's new and listening history and settings and privacy. So tap on listening history, and as you can see here, showing categorized by date. Today I just listened these two track and previously Wednesday 3rd April 2024 I listened this music, and also showing old music as you can see date by date. So you can see here, so you can directly listen that music. Just tap on that music name and that playing start. So as you can see, so currently I have no premium subscription, that's why it's randomly showing music. But if your subscriptions, if you have subscriptions, then it will play the same song. Just open and playing that song. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.